Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Students, do you remember last Thursday what did we do? We completed exercise which was given on page number 76. It was fill in the blanks, and in that you were supposed to fill various types of intelligence according to the conditions given, right? Now students, again on page number 76, we have working with language, match the following, right? Here matching is given, there are 10 in the given exercise which continues from page 76 to page 77. On both the pages you have matched the following, that all we are supposed to do, we'll do it in the textbook only. So let us start with the matching. I will be telling you the answers, so you better note down in your textbook with a pen or a pencil as per your wish. Okay, let us start with matching. Now here what are you supposed to do, students? Here various types of jobs are given and the description of that particular job is given on the opposite side. You're supposed to match it. मतलब यहाँ पे अलग अलग काम दिया है, काम का नाम दिया है और उसका जो क्या कहते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन है कि वो एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है, तो वो दिया हुआ है राइट हैंड साइड पे, राइट, एंड यू आर सपोज टू मैच देम. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. Navigator. Navigator means one who finds and monitors the route to get a place or the direction of travel. Okay, navigator is the one who finds out the route of a particular place. So the first one is C. The second one is architect. Architect means the one who plans and designs a building, town or city. So the second one is E. The third one is politician. Politician you all are knowing only, students. One who works in politics, usually by standing for election. So third one is B. Later on you have engineer. Engineer is the one who designs and builds things like roads, bridges or engines, right? So the fourth one is H. Now fifth one you have computer programmer. Computer programmer is the one who designs the system by which a computer runs or gives information. So fifth one is J. The next one is athlete. Athlete is the one who works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. So the sixth one is G. Okay, athlete, the option is given, the answer is given in G. Sixth one is G. Now the next one is disc jockey. Disc jockey is the one who controls and puts together a program or music. So the seventh one is F. Okay, the next one is composer. Composer means the one who makes up notes to create a music. Okay, so the eighth one is I. The next one is counselor. Counselor is the one who advises people what to do about job, personal problems, etc. So the ninth one is A. Counselor. Okay, counselor's answer is the one who advises people to do what about jobs and personal problems. That's counselor. So ninth one is A. Now the 10th one is journalist. Who's a journalist? Journalist is a person who reports on recent news for newspaper, radio or TV. Okay, so that's a journalist and it is D. So 10th one is D. Okay. So students, did you complete the work along with me or shall I repeat? Come on, let me repeat it once again. I'll let you know the answers. Do write it while I am speaking to you. Here are the answers, students. I have written it. You can copy it down in your textbook only. Okay. The first one is navigator and its answer is C. The one who finds and monitors the routes in order to go to a particular place or directions of traveling are being decided by the navigator, right? The next one is architect. Architect, the answer is E, the one who plans or designs a building, town or city. Okay. The next one is politician. Politician is the answer is B, is the one who works in politics, usually stands in election. So 3B. The fourth one is engineer, and the answer is H, designs and builds things like road, bridges or engines. The fifth one is computer programmer, and the answer is J, designs the system by which a computer runs or gives information. The next one is athlete, and the answer is G, works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. The next one is disc jockey, and the answer is F, controls and puts together a program of music. Then you have composer, and the answer is I, makes up notes to create music. The next one is counselor, that is ninth one is counselor, and the answer is A, advises people what to do about jobs, personal problems, etc. And the last one is journalist, and the answer is D, reports on recent news for newspaper, radio or television, right? So these are the matching given on page number 76 and 77. That's all about textbook exercises. Now we'll move ahead to the meanings and dictation words so that you can start writing in your English notebook, right? Later on we will discuss about question answers. First we'll start with dictation words and then we'll move ahead to meanings, and that you will be writing down in your English notebook after giving the heading of the lesson. Fine? Let's move.